Welcome to our BB Dev Days event, everyone. We're so excited to have you here with us today. As a lifelong engineer, I love this event. I know how rewarding it is to solve problems, build tools that help people, and enjoy the community of others who share a passion for discovery. I'm so proud of how we come together each year and the spirit that drives us to find new ways to create impact. The creativity, ingenuity, and generosity of this community, it's awesome. Blackbaud developers have always been a community. From the first BB Dev Days conference to today, what has always set this group apart is the willingness to share knowledge and support one another. Nowhere else on the planet is there such a group of people working collaboratively for the social impact space. This event is designed to strengthen that community. If it's your first BB Dev Days, I especially want to welcome you. And even more so, if you're someone who doesn't consider yourself a developer, if you're here exploring the new opportunities that low-code and no-code solutions present. And of course, this is a venue for our pro-code community as well, to get a view of what's coming next from us and partner together. We want this gathering to empower you, no matter your proficiency level. Late last year, we announced 6 waves of innovation, and we continue to build on those, which we'll share more about this week. We also recently hosted our semi-annual product update briefings, sharing what's coming next. All of the innovation we're investing in is deeply informed by customers. We learn by listening to you through our idea banks, customer technical previews, early access programs, product update briefings, feedback, and through our rich usage data. And events like this one and BBCon, where we hear from you directly, add even more momentum to these waves of innovation. This real-world insight shapes the features we build and the priorities we set, which ensures that we continue innovating in the ways that matter most to you. With a unique focus on our developer community at BB Dev Days, we provide a learning opportunity for customers and also for ourselves. Nearly 50% of presentations are by customers for customers. That's something we're very proud of and grateful for. And we know it's something you value too. We hear over and over that the unmatched peer network is one of the things you value most about being a Blackbaud customer. We're going to do even more to accelerate these opportunities to connect with peers with our Brain Dates, small group networking this year. And the reason we do this is so that we collectively can meet your unique business needs. We recognize that we can't solve your business challenges alone. You know your organization's needs better than anyone, but by offering you robust developer options, we can partner together to drive business outcomes and equip you with the tools, data, and platforms that allow you to focus on your critical work. Events like this strengthen your pathway to digital maturity, wherever you are on that journey. As our data has demonstrated, that's a significant milestone, one we want to help you reach. Our recent State of Fundraising report, released last week, we highlighted a few key areas. First, there's a link between digital maturity and overall revenue performance. Organizations with below average digital maturity are less likely to report revenue growth and more likely to report revenue declines. By being here, you're moving forward on that journey of digital maturity. You're helping your organizations be more successful. We have even more coming to you in many areas, including some very exciting AI innovations that will be game changers. We'll share a little about that over the next 3 days, and stay tuned over the coming months for even more announcements. We're working on breakthroughs I know will energize you, help you make smarter decisions, automate time-consuming tasks, and deepen your impact. And we can't wait to show you what's coming. So thank you all for being here. Now I'll turn the stage over to Roz, and she'll cover how customers, partners, and third-party developers are driving better outcomes with our developer tools. Have a great conference, everyone. As always, we're eager to see what you build.
All right. Hey, everyone. Thanks, Mike. I could not possibly be more excited to be here with all of you today. To everyone who's joining virtually, which is everyone, good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are in the world. I'm Roz. I lead the innovation team here at Blackbaud. We're the crew behind bbdevdays, the innovation booth at bbcon. Hope to see you there in Philly. Our startup accelerator and year-round hackathons and low-code workshops. Our mission is to support and grow this incredible community of caring creators. Speaking of incredible, today the Sky developer community includes more than 15,000 third-party developers. Third-party just means not Blackbaud staff, because our internal dev teams use the same exact platform to build our products. That's why they work so well together. So the total number is even higher. Collectively, this community has created over 11,000 registered applications, with more than half of Blackbaud customers connected to at least one. That is huge reach and real impact. Oops. Our top sponsor this year is a business that started right here on the Sky platform. In 2018, Jason Tompkins was inspired by a volunteer shift at the Charleston Animal Society to help solve the problem of waste caused by excess inventory. He and two other Sky platform engineers, John and Adam, decided to launch Print Your Cause, building on the very tools that they helped create. They left Blackbaud, which made us sad, but they soon returned as ISV partners and went on to launch a sister company, Fulfill Engine. By 2023, they were South Carolina's fastest growing startup, acquired by Stalls the same year. Today, Print Your Cause serves hundreds of nonprofit and other mission-driven organizations, and they make the t-shirts for all of our biggest events, including this one. A full circle success story we are proud to celebrate. Now, Sky is no longer just for a handful of true believers. It's how we support our customers and the social impact sector at large. Teams across Blackbaud contribute. Our Sky API and UX teams build the foundations. Our product teams own the API endpoints for the features they ship. Community and support teams are there to answer questions and help solve problems. The partner, sales, success, and marketing teams all connect our customers with the right integrated solutions. And the Social Good Startup Program helps accelerate the growth of companies that are driving innovation in our space. It is a team effort, and that team includes you. Which brings me to peer learning. Did you know bbdevdays was originally a customer-organized event? Now it's gone big, but the spirit remains. Community members just like you are leading dozens of sessions, and many require no coding experience at all. Lauren Henderson from Dexter Southfield came to bbdevdays with interest but no knowledge. Now she's back, leading a session on how Power Automate can streamline K-12 operations. If you're a Power BI fan, join Yesenia Bernabet from California Baptist University for a hands-on session and learn how to embed reports directly into Razor's Edge NXT and Financial Edge NXT. In low-code, high returns, Nicole Holt from Preble Street will share how her team used the Microsoft Power Platform to automate repetitive tasks. Jean Townsend and Brian Spelly from Thayer Academy will share how a teacher with zero coding experience turned a spreadsheet into an interactive dashboard for their team. And Susan Walters from House of Ruth, Maryland will walk through a give-get report built for board governance, pulling data from multiple sources into a single customized report. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. There are many, many more. Of course, it is called bbdevdays, so for those ready to dive into some code, there's plenty here for you too. Manny Alonso and Carrie Davis from Georgia Tech Foundation are exploring integrations between Microsoft Fabric and Blackbaud CRM via natural language prompts. Later, Manny's going to return and talk through how to handle Sky API OAuth from login to token refresh, a must-have for everyone building apps on this platform. Louis Poisson from UNF shows how Python and NXT keyboard shortcuts can transform days of manual work into a streamlined process. Nick Marchese of Emma Willard School will share how he connected Sky API to Google's Looker Studio for real-time reporting. And don't miss our fast-paced integrated payments partner showcase this afternoon, so you can get inspired for Preston Jameson's deep dive into the payments API and how RubyTree software used it to support fundraising forms. Whatever your skill level, you will take away fresh tools and new ideas. For even more hands-on experience, we're offering skills labs on everything from data modeling to Sky add-ins to Copilot, prompting, and Power Automate. With over 25 sessions, these are interactive, practical, and full of takeaways you can bring back to your team. This year, our skills labs passes sold out and sessions are filling up fast. So if you didn't get a pass this year, put a reminder on your calendar and sign up early next year. In the spirit of innovation, we're doing something new this year, a virtual hackathon. Whether you're a developer, designer, or problem solver, this is your chance to build something meaningful. You can start a project, join a team, or just vote on ideas. We are offering $500 prizes in categories like fundraising, education, data quality, and financial management, plus judges' choice for best AI integration and people's choice for community favorite. If you need help, we've got office hours. If you're not sure what a hackathon is or you want more explanation, join our hackathon info session this afternoon. The hackathon runs through September 15th, so you've got time to build something, but don't wait till the last minute. Log in, set up your profile, start brainstorming your big idea today. It is a fun way to stretch your skills, collaborate, and create something that matters. So I will leave you with a quick, inspiring example of collaboration in action. Last January, as wildfires swept through LA, our customer, the California Community Foundation, raised over $30 million to support nearly 200 nonprofits. A startup called Pledge played a key role, helping them engage 10,000 new donors and launch 130 peer-to-peer campaigns, including one featured on Good Morning America. That caught our eye. We invited Pledge to join our Social Good Startup program, and they've been incredible partners ever since. At our internal hackathon called Off the Grid, Pledge teamed up with our payments team to test out a new type of integration with the Blackbaud integrated payments API. Here was their pitch, delivered by Brian Baumgartner. Yes, Kevin from The Office. I'm going to let you play and we'll come back.
Hi there. I do numbers, nonprofit numbers, lots of spreadsheets. Oh, so many spreadsheets. But do you know what's not fun? Figuring out 10 different fundraising platforms, one for events, one for online, one for crypto, one for I don't even know. But then somebody told me about Pledge. Guess what? With Pledge, nonprofits can raise money in like minutes for free. It takes credit cards, Venmo, Apple Pay, stock, even that weird crypto stuff. You want a text to donate? Boom. Or codes at events? Boom. You want to raise money on Zoom during your board meeting? Boom. There's a donate button for that too. But here's the big news. Now it works with Blackbaud's integrated payments. So all that donation money and data goes right into your Blackbaud account. Cha-ching. Clean, easy, accountant friendly. Get all that fancy Pledge technology and available for all Blackbaud customers. No more copying, pasting, or crying. It's just numbers. Pledge. It just works. Even for me.
Thanks. So as you can see, some complementary things. We work together. No surprise for Off the Grid, that team won Most Impressive Teamwork Prize. Now we're working together to bring that integration that we crafted together in a hackathon to life for our customers. This is the power of the Sky platform, enabling innovation without compromise, so social impact organizations can focus on what matters most. With that, I will hand it over to Nina Nadell to share how Blackbaud is driving innovation forward.
All right. I so apologize for that. I guess the excitement got a hold of me, but I am so delighted to join all of you. And I'll echo the very warm welcome to our entire community of developers, partners, and team members. I'm Nina Gupta-Needell, and I head up our Blackbaud donor management product portfolio, which includes Razor's Edge NXT, Blackbaud CRM, Alltrue, and eTapestry. And I'll share that for me, each BB Dev Days that I've been a part of really underscores the incredible opportunities and solutions that all of you are defining, and that we're collectively delivering to help organizations in the end raise billions of dollars to power social impact and philanthropy. So for that, every idea is really driving that level of impact for our world. Next slide. So as we define, build, and extend our products at Blackbaud, our team is on a very similar path to all of you in how we envision and are delivering a truly transformed user experience and innovations for our customers. And we refer to that as our waves of innovation, and as Mike introduced at the top of our session. So along these lines, I wanted to share this thought from McKinsey because it captures the importance of building products that truly enable users, our entire customer base, to focus on the human aspects of engagement and collaboration. Because ultimately, really great products, whether it's AI or really any feature functionality, what we envision and bring to market, everything that we provide is really to help customers alleviate the complexities or those arduous tasks that are taking up their time when really they want to drive the more human aspects of their day-to-day work. So with that, every idea that you're thinking about, all the ways that we are enabling efficiencies, productivity, really speaks to how do we drive that human element for what our customers are really trying to achieve for our social impact and that philanthropy. So when we step back and look at our own solutions, we understand that a solution is only useful if it truly addresses our customers' greatest challenges. And when we started, for example, we're on a transformation, our own waves of innovation for our products, we know that we have to modernize and automate our workflows and just make more of those optimized workflows available to our customers. That truly helps fundraisers spend the time on their high-value donor engagement, all of the actions that they're taking to drive what their mission and what their cause is so achieving. We also know that it's across a connected ecosystem. So for us, connection is really incredibly important. And it's within the context of the organization. So all of the data that defines them, their workflows and their actions, that context is what we bring into our solutions as well. We're also driving intelligence-powered innovation. And by that, we mean whether it's predictive analytics, prospect insights, whether it's the entire AI innovation track that we're delivering and bringing to market, they are all delivering new and unmatched fundraising performance, decision analysis, benchmarking capabilities that we're building directly into our product. And they're all powered by our industry-defining intelligence for good strategy. So with that, in our own product, paths, we know that we have an entire stack of wonderful, whether it's data, the tools, the feature functionality, just continuing to evolve that for our customers is really part of our waves of innovation as well. And finally, it's not just about individuals that are driving this social impact. We know that there are entire teams of fundraisers. So ensuring that we can enhance their collaboration, how they manage their entire life cycles and their workflows, all with the optimized team engagement is also a part of our solution, whether it's summarizing constituent information and sharing that across their team, engagement insights that they can share with each other, and of course, their streamlined process management. So all ways that these waves are making their way through each of our products in really incredible ways. So Roz described that there are a number of activities and sessions and all the ways that each of the BB Dev Days participants can really engage. So whether it's peer-to-peer learning opportunities or hands-on skills labs or even virtual hackathon. Jerry is going to cover guidance for planning, engaging, and keeping the ongoing momentum for all of your projects. But I'll summarize how we see our product path with these waves that we're delivering, and that all of you are going to be charting forward as well. First, every product starts with that incredible spark of an idea. It can be small, it can be large. Everything truly is ultimately indexing on how we can solve a customer challenge so that they can improve their efficiency, their productivity, and everything that they're achieving for our market. It then, of course, goes to basically a solid and great plan that the team or the individual can execute with great agility. So always keep that momentum going with the how you're planning out and executing the steps. For us, that's incredibly important because that is how we are finally just making a lot of really good things in that transformation state that we're really, really incredibly proud and really thrilled to bring to all of you. And then essentially it should drive those great outcomes for our customers. So that is the North Star. When we drive those outcomes, we are really also participating in this great effort with our customers. Most importantly, have great fun. This type of an opportunity is open to anyone who has that spark of an idea and really knows that there are so many great things to achieve. And I will just say from the entire Blackbaud team, great wishes for product success. And yeah, we're looking forward to the next set of great outcomes that all of you are driving.
All right. Hello, everyone. Thank you, Nina. For those of you that I haven't met, I'm Jerry Needell and the Chief of Product Innovation here at Blackbaud, and I'm super excited to be here with all of you for BB Dev Days. BB Dev Days is more than just a developer conference. It's a creative collision of ideas, tools, and people who are all working to power social good through technology. Whether you're here to sharpen your skills, explore new APIs, or connect with fellow builders, BB Dev Days is your launch pad. Let's get ready to come together, create together, and leave inspired to build what's next. Whether you're a first timer or you've been at all 12 BB Dev Days conferences, here are 3 tips that will help you get the most out of the experience. First, build your game plan early. Don't wait until the last minute to figure out what you want to attend. Take a little time to explore the agenda and flag the sessions that align with your goals, whether that's learning a new tool, diving deeper into code, or hearing from your peers. Second, be more than a viewer. Be a participant. It's easy to sit back and just watch, but the real magic happens when you engage. Ask questions in the chat, join networking discussions, and connect with other attendees. The more you put into the experience, the more you get out of it. And you might even go away with a few collaborators or mentors. And third, keep the momentum going. The conference might be virtual, but the impact doesn't have to end when the live stream does. Revisit session recordings, try out what you learned, and follow up with the people you met. Whether it's joining a user group, exploring a new API, or just sharing your takeaways with the team, keep the energy going. And we've got a packed agenda with all kinds of sessions, but most of them fall into 3 main categories, all focused on helping you get the most out of your Blackbaud solutions. First, you'll see sessions led by our amazing partners who offer plug-and-play solutions available right from our marketplace. Then we've got sessions that dive into Microsoft Power Platform tools, perfect if you're looking to build with low-code solutions. And for those of you that like to get hands-on with code, we're offering pro code sessions that show how to customize using our APIs and products. Bottom line, you've got plenty of options to tailor your approach and meet your organization's unique goals for success. And speaking of choices, let's talk about a new and exciting way to connect at BB Dev Days, Brain Dates. BB Dev Days has always been about customers connecting with customers, and Brain Dates help facilitate conversations with your peers. What's a Brain Date? These are one-on-one or small group conversations where you can create discussions on topics that matter to you. Whether you're looking for advice, want to share your expertise, or just want to bounce ideas around, you have an easy way to connect with fellow attendees. Think of it as matchmaking for meaningful conversations. You can find brain dates on the agenda or go directly to bbdevdays.braindate.com to create a topic. And we're excited to share a meaningful way for you to give back during BB Dev Days. Virtual volunteering with Goodera right from wherever you are. In honor of Pride Month, we've curated opportunities that support our LGBTQ+ communities and causes, giving you a chance to make a real impact while celebrating inclusion and equity. It's important. It's opportunity that even in a virtual space, we can come together to create change. You'll find all the details on how to sign up on your agenda builder. Brain dates and volunteering opportunities are open to those with developer and skill lab passes. It's not too late to upgrade to a developer pass so you can participate in these great new additions to BB Dev Days. And your feedback is important to us and the BB Dev Day speakers. After each session at BB Dev Days, take a moment to fill out the feedback form. It's quick, easy, and incredibly valuable. Your input helps us improve the experience, spotlight what's working, and shape future content. And the fun part, we're turning feedback into a friendly competition. Attendees who submit the most feedback will be entered to win some awesome prizes. Plus, the 3 sessions with the highest feedback scores will earn a golden ticket, an invitation to present their session live at BBCon this October. So don't hold back. Your voice could help shape the future of BB Dev Days and send your favorite speakers to the big stage. And as we wrap up our kickoff, I want to thank our sponsors that make all this possible. We want to give a big shout out and heartfelt thank you to our gold sponsor, Print Your Cause. They're the one behind this year's awesome BB Dev Day shirts and swag. Print Your Cause makes it easy to create custom gear and stores to build branded moments for your supporters. Thank you, Print Your Cause, for helping us bring this community together in style. We also want to give a big thank you to our silver sponsors, Pranger Solutions Group, Aura, Sentinel Consulting, DNL Omnimedia, and SmartThing, and to our exhibitor sponsor, Reporting Express. Their creativity and expertise play a key role in expanding what's possible with Blackbaud solutions. Whether it's through smarter fundraising tools, operational efficiencies, or new innovations in the marketplace, their work empowers our community to grow and thrive. We appreciate their ongoing support and meaningful impact that they help us drive every day. Next up is our keynote from Wendy Bolger, the founding director at the Simon Center for Innovation and Entrepreneurship at Loyola University, Maryland. I'm excited to hear her insights on how we can drive better experiences for our constituents by adopting an entrepreneurial mindset. I hope you're excited too, and I'll see you there in just a few minutes. Thank you, everyone, and let's have an awesome BB Dev Days.